all these decorations looks beautiful.
Yeah, and you can see all the truss roofing too. It looks structurally sound, but we might have to check that.
Yeah, I agree, TK. Those walls do look solid. This truss system looks like the one that was shown in my steel design class this semester.
Hey Maria, I'm really excited today to meet your classmates. Are you TK? I heard you're very popular.
Yeah, but I've transitioned from an athlete to a mathlete over the past few years. Structural design, mainly steel design, is my main focus nowadays.
No way, me too. I enjoy doing structural analysis in my free time.
Can we talk about something normal for once?
Yes, we can talk normal forces in the members once we get to the truss analysis. I wonder if the steel roof trusses are made of hot rolled steel or come from a cold form plant. I really hope it was hot rolled because I just love designs by AISC.
Honestly, guys, I don't even care. I'm just here for the free food and drinks.
No, I don't think that's bar steel. That looks like a hot rolled truss. Maybe we should do a quick calc to make sure the roofing system is more than adequate. What do you think, Fran? All right, bet. I take that as a yes.
Do you need some engineering paper? I have some. Because you know what they say, engineers always come prepared.
Darn right they do.
So does your girlfriend always do this when you're out and about?
Yeah, I just smile and nod.
Wait, I love this song. Do you want to go dance?
Underneath that truss? Is that even safe? I think we should check the bolts just in case.
Yeah, let's do it. That way we can eat in peace. For the bolts, we'll need to check shear failure, bearing failure, tear-out failure, and slip of connection.
I agree, but I think we can skip the slip. Slip is a serviceability limit state. Since we're only worried about strength, I don't think we need to check it. With those few calcs, I don't think it'll take too long.
I think it's time for us to slip out of here. Hey guys, we're gonna go get some drinks.
TK, did you get the same calculations as me? Because if my calculations are correct, I'm a bit scared.
Well, it depends. Did you take into account that the roofing is made out of corrugated metal instead of wood?
I just assumed a roof dead load of 12 PSF and a roof live load of 20 PSF. It looks like the tributary width for this truss is about 10 feet. So with the 12 PSF and 20 PSF multiplied by that tributary area, we'll have a dead distributed load of 288 pounds per foot and a live distributed load of 640 pounds per foot. We can further break that up to come up with the loads at each joint, then we just plug it into our analysis program.
All right, the tension is the highest in the double angle diagonal closest to the support and is approximately 65.6 kips.
I got close to the same amount doing a quick method of sections and rounding the numbers. I will start with the bolt calculations now that we have an estimate of the force in the member, and you do the tension member limit states.
That's easy. Since we already learned that one in one of the other episodes, it will be a blast. Furnace.
All right, so for block shear, it looks like this block will be most likely to fail. First, we need to calculate ANT, ANV, and AGV.
Nice. Seems like our calculations are flying by.
Excuse me, I forgot to ask you how you want your steak done. Our class earned enough money for steaks this year.
Oh yeah, can I have it charbroiled? I actually like my steak with a little more iron and carbon than most. It's like I like my steel.
All right, I think we'll have to ask the experts on that.